Game.
Okay.
Hello? Mom.
Okay. As you can see, there's an adapter. Weird.
Very slim.
Oh, because it's slim.
And I believe it doesn't have a stand.
Oh,
It's gonna be a problem. Okay. 21 inches.
wow.
Very wide screen.
A wide screen.
But there is no.
There is.
There you go.
You're gonna need the tools again.
Choose again. Choose.
Tools.
This off.
You're gonna need maybe a pliers, screwdriver.
This is a very straightforward installation. Just need to be straight and forward. So as you can see, you just put it like this one, like that. Now when you see the hole, you put,
Just one tornills.
yeah, one tornills for everything.
Amazing.
And this will hold the whole system with just one tornills.
One tornills.
I don't know with the engineer who made this,
He's very smart.
but yeah. Okay. So we tornills it,
That's it. Very
put it like that.
scary.
There you go.
Very thin.
And we get the cable. Put it on the. Oh no! Oh no! This is a problem right there. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
All pin.
So what we're gonna do now is we look for something. I believe I have an adapter for that.